RipaLip Marine Screen Kleen is a combination of proprietary fluid and microfiber cloth. Our fluid contains no alcohol or ammonia and no gels or oils that build up on screens. Our cleaning fluid is biodegradable, organically based, and non-corrosive. Along with our Marine Kleen fluid, the ultra-fine, double-density microfiber cloth absorbs water and safely lifts oils and fingerprints without removing special screen coatings. It's safe for your marine electronics, phone, glasses, camera, optics, and all your lens surfaces.